All right, here we got the lateral squat with offset load. So whatever side I'm gonna sit into, actually, yeah, I got my watch on the right side. I keep the kettlebell on my left. Whatever side I'm sitting into, I'm gonna have the opposite side loaded up, okay? So I'm gonna sit into my right side, okay? So I'm gonna have the left side loaded up. What I'm gonna do here, starting position, you wanna make sure foot is, especially the foot, whatever, let me rewind that. Whatever foot you're going to be shifting your weight towards, make sure that foot is straight, okay? Because we're trying to load the inside of the foot as we go down. The opposite foot, you're gonna pivot on your heel, turn toes towards the ceiling, okay? So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna maintain, as far as the load goes, we got this rack position with the kettlebell. I got my thumb right into my collarbone. Kettlebell's resting on this little nook here I created with my arm, okay? And I'm gonna reach with my elbow. When you do that little reach with your elbow, you should feel some abs turn on, okay? So from there, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna sit into my right hip. I reach back with my right arm. I don't let this drop. I keep reaching with my elbow. And then what you're gonna feel when you get down to the bottom, you feel some tension on the inside of your thigh. You feel your glute, maybe a little bit of hamstring, and a big stretch to the inside of the opposite leg, and then you're gonna push back up. So the way this is gonna look real time. Inhale, reach back. Exhale, push off the inside of the foot, come back up to start. Lateral squat with offset load.